Welcome to our lesson about the Move Entities tool. I've got a plate in my graphic area. I'm going to create a sketch on this face. Let's right-click and select Insert Sketch. Now I'm going to activate the Rectangle tool and drop a rectangle about here. Let's exit the tool, right-click and select. We can access the Move Entities tool under the Tools menu, Sketch Tools, Move Entities. Or we can access it from the Command Manager. First, I select the entities I want to move. I can opt to keep the relations that I've applied previously if I need to. Under Parameters, we've got two methods, from and to, or X and Y using coordinates. The Repeat button lets us repeat the move at the same distance and in the same direction. Let's try the From To method. And I can select from this point to this point. Repeat still allows us to move the entities in the same direction and to the same distance. When you're finished, click Accept. And this concludes our lesson about the Move Entities tool.